Good morning, and welcome to Alone with God, our journey through reflective prayer and meditation. Today, we will meditate on Matthew chapter 17 verses 10 to 12. And his disciples asked him, saying, Why then do the scribes say that Elias must come first? But he answering, said to them, Elias indeed shall come, and restore all things. But I say to you, that Elias is already come, and they knew him not, but have done unto him whatsoever they had a mind. So also the Son of Man shall suffer from them. Let us bring our prayers before the Lord. Dear Jesus, as I ready my home and heart for the arrival of Christmas, I ask for the strength to have faith in your presence today and in the future. Grant me the resilience to keep you at the heart of my family's Christmas, amidst the challenges and demands of the world. I seek to be counted among those who acknowledge you and act in ways that bring you joy. Guide me to be mindful and prepared, not just today but every day. Amen.